Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different and film a chit chat get ready with me. I've had some things on my mind, thought I would share them with you guys, and we'll see how this goes. So don't forget to click subscribe and let's jump into it. All right, throw my hair back here. I've already cleaned my face, so we're just going to start by priming it. I use the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. It's been my ride or die. I've gone through like 3 bottles of that, and this one's almost gone too. Alright, so the thing is I have been feeling just not myself for the past several months, and you know, I think it goes without saying that this year has been really rough and stressful, and you know, it's been a year full of anxiety. So I think that is where this is all stemming from. But I started working from home back in March and completely just got out of my normal routine. I'm gonna go in and throw some foundation on. This is the NARS. What is this? Oh, the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. This has SPF 30 in it. This is one of my favorites for the summertime. It's just so light. So yeah, I've just been feeling lazy and unmotivated. It's been rough. And I feel like, you know, when I sit there and wonder like, well, what is it that's causing this? Why am I feeling that way? You know, outside of everything else going on, I'm just out of my normal routine. You know, I get up in the morning, I'm not doing my hair and makeup like I normally would for work. I'm not picking out, you know, outfits that make me feel good. I'm not working out. I have been snacking pretty consistently, and not healthy snacking, like legit, I'm eating unhealthy things all day long. So I've put on a couple pounds. You know, I'm not hanging out with friends. I rarely see family. So all of those things combined have just really led me to not feeling 100%. I'm not doing anything crazy with my makeup today. I'm just literally doing my go-to everyday, quick and easy out the door makeup look. Okay. So with me feeling like that, I'm about to turn 32 at the end of the month. I'm tired of feeling like that. I definitely don't want to start 32 feeling like this. So I have decided to challenge myself to take back control in what I'm going to call a 4-week glow up challenge. All right, I'm going to go in with my Hula Bronzer by Benefit. So what does that mean? I mean, I'm not just talking, woo, that was really, okay, I forgot this brush is way more. It's okay, we'll blend that out. I'm definitely not just talking glow up in the manner of, I want to look good, right? Like this needs to be a complete internal and external mind, body, and soul type challenge. So what I'm going to do for the next 4 weeks is basically dedicate time to taking care of myself and focusing on mind, body, and soul. So what does that look like, you might ask? So it's going to look different for everybody, but for me, when I think about focusing on my mind, I think of things like meditating or maybe doing yoga or reading a book. Something to just stimulate the mind or relax the mind. That's where I'm focusing. And then when I talk about body, that's just getting back on track with maybe having healthier eating habits and snacking on healthier snacks and just watching what I'm eating rather than snacking mindlessly all day long. And then, of course, also making sure I get in at least a half hour of exercise every single day. And then when I talk about soul, that's the one I get really excited about, because for me, soul is anything that makes you feel good. So it could be as simple as getting dressed and putting on a bomb outfit every single day, or doing your makeup or doing my hair. It might be having a spa day at home or just calling a friend. It could be anything. I'm gonna list out a bunch of ideas down below because what I really wanna do, and I hope that you guys will play along with me, is I hope that you guys will join me on this challenge. All right, let's blend this out. So yeah, I want you guys to join me on this challenge. I know I'm not the only one that's feeling this way. I know that there are a million other people that have just had a rough year, that aren't feeling themselves, that have been through some stuff. And this is the one thing that we have control over outside everything else, right? We have control over what we do to take care of ourselves. So I'm going to vlog for the next 4 weeks, every single day, what I'm doing to focus on mind, body, and soul. And then every Sunday I will upload that vlog so that you guys can follow along with me. Honestly think that this is going to be super beneficial, and I hope that after the 4 weeks I'm feeling 10 times better, and you know, I just have some new healthier routine in place to get me through the rest of this year. It's been a year, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my MAC blush. This is Blush Baby. This was my favorite one. So yeah, that's the plan, is to do this for 4 weeks and just see, you know, how I feel afterwards. I'm gonna clean up this look. I'm just going in with, this is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I feel like I got a little bit crazy. Just clean it up a little bit. I'm not gonna do a full-on bake here. I'm just gonna pop it under here and let it sit for a minute. I'm gonna hit my T-zone with this really lightly. Again, I'm not trying to do anything crazy today. I just wanted to sit down, chat with you guys, tell you where I'm at, and, you know, introduce this challenge to you guys. I'm really excited about it. Again, I'm calling it a glow up challenge, but I'm focusing it on mind, body, and soul because I want to feel good and look good, and that's just where I'm at. But we'll see how this all plays out. I really do hope that you guys join me on this challenge, because if I can help myself and help at least one other person, I would call that a success. Okay, for my eyes, look, this is my one trick that I really, really like. If I want to look like I put in a little bit of effort without going, you know, too crazy, all I'm gonna do is go back in with my Hula Bronzer, and I'm gonna take just a little bit on my eye brush. This is the Morphe M200. Just looks like this. And I'm just going to apply it in my crease. And same on the other eye. This is the easiest way to make it look like, hey, I did my makeup today, but, you know, it's effortless. Okay. And then I'm going to just pop on some mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real mascara. Just pop this on. I feel like I really need a mirror in this. I keep looking in my camera. Okay. So for the lips, I'm going to put on my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I absolutely love this lipstick. It's such a pretty nude. Okay. And then over top of that, I just want it to be a little bit glossier. I'm going to go in with my Dior Lip Maximizer Lip Plumper, just a little bit of a gloss. And I'm just going to apply it to the center. Good to go. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Super easy makeup look. Thank you for sticking around with me. Again, 4-week glow up challenge focusing on mind, body, and soul. I will provide a list down below of ideas that you can do to focus on each of those for yourself. If you want to follow along with this journey, please click subscribe. Click on that bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye guys.